Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and giving you my thoughts on the 2019 Nvidia Shield TV Pro. Something you should note right at the outset is that this device is not supplied with a stand as it looks in the packaging. And as you can see from the description at the back of the box, the stand is an optional accessory and will need to be purchased separately. Now the Shield is Google certified, running Android version 9, and as such you have access to the Google Play Store as well as Google Assistant via the included remote control. The side of the box gives us a description of what is inside, as well as technical specifications of the Shield. At the bottom we have a diagram showing us the available ports, as well as some features of the remote control. The remote control is supplied with two AAA batteries. The other side of the box gives us a description of Shield features that make for a better home theater experience, such as support for Dolby ATMOS, 4K HDR, as well as AI upscaling. You can also see that the unit has Chromecast built in. Also given is a description of what makes this Pro unit different from the standard Nvidia Shield TV. Okay, now let's get to the unboxing. After removing the cover off the box, we are presented with the Shield and its remote control. And as you can see, the remote control is the same width as the Shield itself. Here we can see the ports as described on the packaging and the vents located on the underside. With that out of the way, we can now remove this piece of plastic, exposing the lower section of the packaging, which contains the quick start guide, the support guide, as well as the Shield's power adapter. From my research, this adapter can be used anywhere in the world, as it can accept an input voltage ranging from 100 volts to 240 volts AC. Now as you can see, I have the US version, but since I don't reside in the US, I have purchased this adapter for my country, and with it the Shield powers up and works perfectly without any problems at all. As you can see, the Shield is a very compact device, measuring in at a width of 159mm, a height of 98mm, a depth of 2.6mm, and weighing just 137 grams. After connecting the Shield to my TV and plugging it into the wall socket, it booted up and I was presented with this welcome screen, where I had to choose my language preference. After that I was presented with a few other screens, such as connecting to a Wi-Fi network, as well as signing in with a Google account. Finally, you will have to agree to the terms of use and be given the option to join the Shield Rewards program. You will then be notified if there are software updates available. If you are connected to the internet, the Shield would have already begun downloading the updates. If the download has already begun, you will have to wait for the Shield to apply the update and automatically reboot before you can use the Shield. Once that is complete, the default or home screen will be displayed. At this time, you would also be notified if there are any accessory updates available. I proceeded with the accessory updates and they were completed in under 3 minutes. Now for my thoughts on the Nvidia Shield. Like many other people, over the years I have bought and used many media players, and I can safely say that the Shield is by far the best media player I have ever purchased. In addition to its extensive list of supported formats, it also supports technologies such as HDR10, Dolby ATMOS, and even has Chromecast 4K built in. Its UI feels fluid and is ultra responsive. Not once has it rebooted, shut down, or simply froze while I was using it. My only gripe is that the stand is not included, and the odd triangular shape of the remote control takes some getting used to. However, I would highly recommend this to anyone looking to invest in a media player. It will be money very well spent, and you will certainly not be disappointed with the user experience. That's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to rate, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next video.